Hi everyone, welcome back to our video lecture on numerical analysis. In the previous video, we were discussing about numerical differentiation. Now, we will discuss numerical integration in this video. Our problem on numerical integration will be as follows. Given a set of data points x0, y0 up to xn, yn of a function y equal to f of x, we are supposed to find the integral of the function from a to b. The issue in this problem will be we may not be having the exact value function f of x. So we have to use an interpolating function. So we have to use some methods of interpolation and use it to find the integral. In general, what we will do is we will divide the interval AB into n equal subintervals as a is equal to x0, then x1 up to xn is equal to b, with xn is equal to x0 plus nh. That means each of the interval is of length h. Let us look into the Newton's forward interpolation formula. Y of x is equal to y0 plus p delta y0 plus p minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y0, where x is equal to x0 plus ph. The integral will be I equal to integral from a to b f of x dx, which is equal to integral from x0 to xn y0 plus p delta y0 plus p minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y0 dx. Now we want to make some change of variable. We know that x is equal to x0 plus ph. So once you differentiate this one, it will become dx will be equal to dph. So wherever dx is there, we can replace with h times dp. Also, we are integrating limits is from x0 to xn. So the value of p also varies from 0 to n. Now let us apply all these things in the integral. So the dx will become h times dp, and integrating limits x0 to xn will become 0 to n. So our variable is p. Now let us see how we will integrate this one. We will integrate them term by term. So if you integrate term by term, y0 p will be there. Y0 p will give you n y0. Applying the same technique in the other integrals, we will get the answer. That means the integral as nh y0 plus n by 2 delta y0 plus n to n minus 3 divided by 12 delta square y0 and so on. So the general integral formula will be integral from a to b f of x dx will be nh times y0 plus n by 2 delta y0 plus n to n minus 3 divided by 12 delta square y0 plus n minus 2 whole square by 24 delta cube y0 and so on.